Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of consistent character video. In this, we will learn about blending images using Midjourney and creating scenes out of that. If you have not seen the first part, please check the description and you will find the link there. So let's get started. So first thing we are going to do is we will create our character. So the prerequisite here will be we already have these CDN link from the Discord, which will be something like this. So if you remember, we use this to create our characters. So we will use all these links. Along with that, instead of creating a multiple pose and character, I'm using happy little boy character, happy face, eyebrows, smiling lips, closed mouth, children book illustration. So let's take this and create our character. So this character will not have any kind of actions like or emotions. This will be a normal character. Okay. So let's get back to Midjourney and hit our prompt. Slash imagine prompt. Let's give our prompt and enter. We'll wait for the results. So our first set of result is ready. Let's open this and see. So this looks fine. This is even better. So consider that if you don't like the character, what you can do is you can go ahead and re-roll this once more and keep re-rolling it unless and until you find a perfect character for yourself. After re-rolling it for second time, I've got this character. So you can see that, if you like this one, what you can go ahead, go to this and upscale 2. So let's wait for the upscaling of 2. So upscaling of our second image is done. Let's open it in new tab and see. So you can see here this character looks good, but to save time, I have re-rolled it few more times and I've created this character as well. So these two are close to each other, but I find this facial expression is much better. So I'll save this image and this is what we will be using for our next scene creation. So let's save this image. Let's consider if we want our character to have a walk in a mystical forest. So how can we do that? So to do that, what we are going to do is first we will create a image reference for a forest, and I'm going to use this prompt, a mystical forest, glow lights, children book illustration. So let's take this, go to Midjourney and create an image reference for that. Slash image prompt, give our prompt and enter. Let's wait for the result. So we have our first set of results. Let's open this and see. If you don't like, you can always re-roll it the way I have done it. Here I have re-rolled it twice and these are the two sets of image I have got. In this, I like this image really good. I'll go ahead and upscale 3 and let's wait for the upscaling. Here we have the upscaled version of the image. So let's open it in new tab and see. So this will be our image reference for blending. So let's save this image. To blend images, we need to follow certain rules. So what we have to do is first we have to upload images in Midjourney Discord, and we have to take their CDN URL. And first we have to put the URL and then we have to type our prompts. Go to Midjourney. Let's upload our single character and forest images. Once this is done, hit enter. You can click on this image. You can open in new tab. Do the same for this. Once we have this, take their URL. Let's take this prompt, go to Midjourney and slash imagine prompt. So you'll see that you have two URLs and then we have our prompt here. So let's hit this. We have the result from our prompt. So let's have a look. We'll open it in new tab. So you can see that it has blend two images, and it has taken some part of those mystical forest and merged with this boy character. So if you like any one of this image, you can upscale and save it. So I like the first one. I'll go ahead and upscale this one. Let's try to create bedroom scene this time. So this is the image reference I'm using for the bedroom, and this is our character we know. So this is how the prompt will look like. So we have this three multi prompt here. So first section is about the boy details. Second is about sleeping on his bed, covering himself with blanket, lying down on his bed position. Then we have child bedroom details. So let's take this prompt and blend the image. Imagine prompt and enter. Let's wait for the result. So this is the set of results I have got. So let's open this in new tab and see. You can see here we are easily able to blend two images and create scenes. So thank you guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and follow for more. Thank you.